the 2017 Subaru Outback. It features a continuously variable transmission, all-wheel drive, and a refined 6-cylinder engine. Top features include power windows, leather upholstery, adjustable headrests in all seating positions, a built-in garage door transmitter, an outside temperature display, power moonroof, and a split folding rear seat. Rear passengers enjoy the seat heating functionality, keeping them warm during the winter months. You and your passengers will enjoy the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability and 12 speakers, ensuring optimal sound no matter where you're seated. Subaru ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, a panic alarm, an emergency communication system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Adaptive Cruise Control maintains a preset distance behind the car ahead of you, simplifying highway driving and enhancing safety. We'd also be happy to help you arrange financing for your vehicle. Stop in and take a test drive.